New wheel and tire day for my 2021 Toyota Tacoma. I can't wait. Just leaving Discount Tire, the size 265/75 R16. My TPMS, or my tire pressure gauge, just popped up on the screen. Literally, we're running 35. I may bump it up a pound, I don't know. 35 is right about where I usually run them anyway. But more importantly is, how do they feel? You know, my biggest complaint about going with bigger wheels and tires in the past, or bigger tires in this case, same size wheel, is how they felt, how much rougher they are. And by the way, I went with BF Goodrich KO2s. I've never had them before, so I thought I'd go ahead and try them out this time around, and we're gonna see how they are. I feel a little firmer in the steering wheel so far, just in this little jaunt. And I literally did just leave Discount Tire. So a little bit heavier in the steering wheel. Ride-wise, so far so good. I have not changed the suspension, so this is merely a different wheel and tire setup with the tire or the wheels being the same. Okay, we're gonna go over a railroad track. This will be a decent little test. Not bad, not bad at all. So far, I'm digging it. I'm happy so far, and I know it's only been like 28 seconds, but all right, we're gonna go out. I'm gonna get on a higher speed road here in a second, and I'll come back on, let you know what I think after I drive just a little bit. Okay, been driving for a little bit. We're actually hitting 60 on this 55-mile-an-hour road. I'm off a little bit too because I have bigger tires now. Again, I went with a 265/75 R16. The wheel is a black Rhino matte bronze. You'll get to see them here in just a minute. With black lug nuts. I wanted black lug nuts. And they're 16x8s, I believe. Love them on this truck. You know, I've never done colored wheels other than black, I guess, on my trucks before. So this is something new for me. I'm digging them. I think they're pretty slick. I'm grabbing the center cap because there is a little modification I need to make. The center caps say black Rhino, and you guessed it, of course, in chrome. I don't want chrome, so I'm gonna black that out one way or another, somehow. We'll see, vinyl, or I don't know what I'm gonna do, but something. So that's the only thing about the wheels, I guess, is that, but that's minor. I can take care of that. As far as the road feel, been driving for a while. Man, it feels like stock. Now, the tires are just as wide as stock, so I did this size for a reason. I wanted to keep it so I didn't have to do any trimming or cutting or anything like that, even at stock height, which I'm still at stock height. There'll be a video coming up. We'll do a measurement, and we'll actually see how much of a height difference it made by going to these tires. It should be about an inch, 1.1 inches, something like that. So not huge, but still an inch higher than I was before. Road noise wise, you know, I'm not real sensitive to that anyway. So if there is any more road noise, I'm not picking it up. Digging them. You know, I've been hesitant to go with KO2s in the past because I've seen conflicting reports from people about ride quality, noise, stuff like that. Very capable off-road, at least I've been told. I've never had these before. But I'm not noticing anything funky about them at all. They feel good. Again, no tire rub. At least I shouldn't have any because they are just as wide as the other tire. Now, let's talk about the offset. And I did this intentionally because I wanted some wheel poke. I went with a -10 offset on the wheels themselves. I originally wanted -12, but you really can't find anything, at least that I looked for commonly, in brushed bronze with a -12 offset. Everything was -10 or lower. So that's why I went with -10. I figured 2 millimeters, what difference could it really make? And I don't think it's made any difference. So that's the story. There'll be some pictures. I'll do a walk around. I'll show you guys what they look like, minus the center caps, of course, because again, I am going to do a little customization on those, but you'll be able to see what the wheels look like now. And I think bronze on magnetic gray metallic is definitely the way to go, for me anyway. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. It is a complete departure or difference, I guess, than what I've ever done on a Toyota Tacoma. Mine have always been 295s, which were way too big. And then the last truck, the Voodoo Blue 2020, was 285. It was 285/70 R17. I think the most common size that people go with. But you definitely have to have a lift for those. And you may still have rubbing even if you do. Leave a comment. Let me know. Also, real quick, I do have 2 additional channels. Robmotive FST, all about my 2021 Toyota Tundra. And Robmotive JT, all about my 2020 Jeep Gladiator, which, by the way, I'm running 285/70 R17s on. Check them out, and if you're interested, please consider subscribing. Don't forget to click that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And do me a favor, smash that subscribe button on the way out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there. Bye.